Hi children, welcome again to our maths class. Okay, in the previous class you have learned how the pattern works in the whole numbers. Patterns in whole numbers. Okay, so you have learned what are the triangular numbers, square numbers, which numbers forms the patterns, squares, triangles. Yesterday you learned how the pattern in the whole numbers, right? So first of all, once again you have to recall what is a pattern. Pattern is a sequence of the numbers or a picture. So that can be arranged with the elementary shapes that having the consisting of the dots. Yes, right. Okay. See, today also we will solve the exercise problems. Keep heading exercise 2.3 in your notebook. So keep heading exercise 2.3. Right. Okay, take your textbooks, page number 43. First question. Which of the following will not represent 0? Here given some options here. Which of the following? In the question number 1, A 1 plus 0, B 0 into 0, C 0 by 2, D 10 minus 10 by 2. Which of the following will not represent 0? That means is equal to 0. Which of the following will not represent? That means is not equal to 0 you have to show. See here 1 plus 0. In the question A, 1 plus 0 is equal to, if you add 0 to given whole number, you will get 1 only. Here 0 given? No. That means 1 plus 0, yes, is not giving the 0. Hence it is not represent the 0. Right. And come to the second one. 0 into 0. 0 into 0. If you multiply any number 0, here 2 zeros are multiplied, 0 zeros 0, that means here it giving the 0, 0 by 2, any number divided by here 0 divided by 2, that means denominator is having 2, then the value is equal to 0, very good. Right, 10 minus 10 by 2, 10 minus 10 value is 0 by 2, 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Among these four options, which one is not representing 0? Not representing A. Hence, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 is not represent the 0. Okay, how to show which one is not equal to 0, right? Second question, see, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Justify through examples. Here, what they are asking, if the product of two whole numbers is 0. So take any two whole numbers, that product 0. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, can we say that one or both of them will be 0? Okay, so justify through that example is asking. For example, how the product will 0? At least 1 0 compulsory we have to take. Okay, one whole number 0. So one more you can take any whole number. If you multiply two numbers, the product is equal to 0 or not? Yes. Suppose if you take two whole numbers, so that is 0 into 0, that is also giving 0. Can we say that here both of them will be 0? Yes, both of them also 0. What is the example? 0 and 0. Product of two whole numbers means 0 into 0. 0 no? Yes. Okay. So we write here the answer for the second question. First write for the second solution. If product of, given what they given, we write here. The product of, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, two whole numbers is 0, definitely one of them is 0. product of, if the product of the two whole numbers, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, 0, yes, we can say that, yes, we can say that both of them may be 0. For example, take 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, suppose if you take two zeros, the product is 0. If you take one whole number 0 and 3, you will take, it will give 0. One of them or both of them is giving 0 or not? Yes. Write the solution. Okay, come to the third question. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can we say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through example. So how we shown this one? Same procedure. Here what they are asking, product. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, product of two whole numbers what? So you have to show the product of two whole numbers is 1. Can we say that one or both of them 1? 1 or both of them? If you take one whole number is 1, one more whole number is another. Any whole number you can take. Okay. Then the product is giving 1. All the time is it possible? Okay. So you have to show that 1. So through the examples we have to show. Okay. So for example, take two whole numbers. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If you take two whole numbers, that is 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Suppose 1 into take another whole number, is it giving 1? No. Okay. So that answer we have to write here. The product of two whole numbers is 1. Write that solution. Product of two whole numbers is 1. Product of two whole numbers is 1. Both the numbers should be equal to 1. For example, already I said 1 into 1 is equal to 1. But 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Hence here clear that the product of the two whole numbers will be 1. Only the situation if the both numbers to be multiplied are 1. Right? Okay, that answer we write here. Hence it is clear that product of two whole numbers will be 1 only situation, only the situation when both the numbers to be multiplied are 1. When both numbers to be multiplied are 1. Students, come to the fourth question here. Find using distributive property. Find using distributive property. That is first one, A 728 into 101. Okay, so we know that the distributive property over the multiplication over addition. That is how we distribute this one. 728 into 101. We can write here it as 100 plus 1. By using the distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributive property. Substitute here the 728 into 728 into 100 plus again 728 into 1. Now multiply 728 with 100, so how much? That is 72,800 plus 728 once 728. After that we have to add 72,800 728. So that is 8 2 8 plus 7 15 2 plus 1 3. How much? 73,528. Very good. So come to the second one, B. 5,437 into 1001. Same procedure. By using the distributive property, we have to multiply here the product of two numbers. That is 5,337 into 1001. In right here it is 1000 plus 1. Okay, by using distributive property, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now here 5,337 into 1000 plus 5,437 into 1. Now 5,437,000, that is 54,37,000 plus 5,437 plus means we have to add these two numbers, that is 54,37,000 5,437. Add these two, 7 3 4 7 plus 5 12 3 plus 1 4 4 5. So what is that? 54,042 54 lakh 42,437. Okay na children? Can you do that remaining 3 problems? Okay, I hope you will do this. Take homework, page number 44. In the fourth question, C, D, E. C, D, E. 824 into 25. So you can distribute there 25. Okay. So here 4,275 into 125 is there. 125 you may write 100 plus 20. You can distribute your wish. Okay, according to your convenience you can distribute that problem. Right, children. So next come to the study the pattern. So previously we showed you have seen that how the triangular numbers, the square numbers, how their pattern works. Everything I shown to you. You learned that one. Similarly, here the problem is given, that is the pattern 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 1 2 into 8 plus 2 is equal to 9 8. 1 2 3 into 8 plus 3 is equal to 9 8 7. 1 2 3 4 into 8 plus 4 is equal to 9 8 7 6. 1 2 3 4 5 into 8 plus 5 is equal to 9 8 7 6 5. Right, next two steps. Can you say how the pattern works? Here see 1 into 8 plus 1 is equal to 1 8 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay now? Similarly here, coming to the next pattern, just added 2. So that number is multiplied by same. 8 is the same in all the patterns. 8 is common. Here each time one number is increased. First added 1, next 2 added, 3 added, 4 added, 5 added. Here also one digit is increasing. Yes. So here the next step, see how the pattern works here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, add 6 here. 8 is common here. Plus 5 after 6. Add 6 to the digit. It will give the number is 98. What is that? 98? 9,87,654. Similarly, one more step. What? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7. If you add 7 to that number, you will get directly this one. So otherwise you can multiply this one, you will get same this answer. Directly by using this pattern, we are adding each time 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. You can add the pattern. Okay, right. So here the given, can you say how the pattern works? How the pattern works? See here in the first one we have added here how this 90 here 9,87,654 came. So here already given hint, see in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is pattern I am explaining here. 4, 5, 6 into 8 plus 6 is equal to 9,876. Okay, children. So here the hint given for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each time first 5 added there na. So here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How this number came? First added 1. After that added 2. Next 3 added. Next 4 number added. Next 5 number added. So next what we have to add? 6 we have to add. So for that we have to add here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number we have to add to the given number. Yes, very good. Right. See the next two. After that each time 8 is common. To that what you have to do? We have to multiply by 8. We will get here, see 8 into here 6 times now. That is 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So that means 8,88,888. After that you write 5 8s. That means 8 into 5 ones here. 8 ones 8. That is 11,000. Okay. So 111. So that is here 88,888 will come. After that 1,111 into 8 means that is 8,888. Next 111 means 111 into 8. That is 888. 11 into 8, 88 plus 8. So why I am writing here means how this pattern works. It is correct or not? Just I am verifying here. See here, all the 8s we have to add here each. So roughly I am adding here. See. So you have to note down in your notebook. So you have to do right. So first 1 added, second 2 times 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So how many 6 first in the first column here? 8, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 6 are 48. Then after here 8 5 is 40 plus 4, 44. Then after 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. 8 3s are 24 plus 3, 27. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. 8 plus 1, 9. What you got? 9,87,648 came. So to that number, what you have to add here? 8. Or 6. Very good. 6 we have to add. So to this, if you add 9,87,648, 6 add 8 plus 6, 14. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9. So you got 9,87,654. See, we got that number? Yes. Hence, the pattern works or not? Yes. So here 8 is common. By adding first 1, next to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you add 8 to 9 or 10, just here one number is going to increase. The digits are increasing. So by giving this hint we solve here. Now tell me the pattern works or not? Yes. Hence the pattern here works. Okay children, so this is the total information about the pattern in whole numbers, and up to now we have completed the whole numbers chapter. In this 3 exercises are there, 2.1 to 2.3. Everything I have covered. Once again you have to go through the starting topic to till now. Okay. Still if you have any doubts regarding this class, you have to join in the June class. You can clarify your doubts.